Hi my beautiful dolls and Ken dolls. How are you? Welcome back to Miss Chrissy J's channel. Today I'm going to be introducing you, so today I'm doing a review slash tutorial on NABEAUTY.com. NABEAUTY.com is an online wig store that sells ombre bob wigs, silky long wigs, blonde 613 wigs, full lace wigs, celebrity bob wigs, short wavy wigs. They sell bundles, 3 bundles in a closure, 3 bundles in a frontal, 4 bundles in a closure, 4 bundles in a frontal, 613 bundles in a closure, 360 frontals and bundles, 4x4 lace closures, 3x4 lace closures, 360 lace frontals. They sell everything on NABEAUTY.com. I love working with new hair companies only because I love bringing you guys the best hair and trying different hair companies to see which one is Miss Chrissy J approved, because if it's one thing that I'm good at, it's seeking great hair. Okay, so this is the box that it came in. It says NABEAUTY in the box like that. Open the box up and I'm going to take out the wig. So I was sent a 150% density water wig, 18-inch wig in its natural color. And this is how the wig looks as soon as I take it out of the package. This is the water waves, the waviness that it has. Really pretty waves. This is how it looks from the front. So this wig has 2 large clips on the side which go like right here. It also has straps in the back that are already strapped up, and it has a clip in the back as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the wig on my head. And I'm just gonna secure the large clip in the back and secure the clips on the sides, because you can wear this, I feel like you can wear this glueless. Yeah, you can wear this glueless because it is like, whew, on my head. So I might not even need any lace glue, but I might still put some on just in case. And this is how the hair looks in its natural state without me curling it, doing anything to it. This is how it looks. It doesn't smell. There's no tangling, there's no shedding. So there's no shedding in this wig at all, which is good. There's no tangling, which is good. I'm not gonna leave it like this. I mean, it doesn't look bad like this. It looks kind of like just like a natural, I mean, I would wear it like this if you wanted like the natural, like, you know, wavy, messy look. It looks kind of cute like this, but I like my hair to be styled. I just like really styled hair. I'm not a big fan of like messy hair. I'm not. When I was in high school, I loved a messy bun or a messy 2 buns. Like, I love the messy look, but as I got older, I like my hair to be styled. I don't know why. So I'm gonna go ahead and just style this right now. And I guess I can do a talk through and a mini tutorial so you guys can kind of style it with me. The lace is amazing. It looks like I believe I already cut off the lace, but I don't even remember because I've never done this video, but I think I did film this video a little bit before and I did cut the lace to fit me because the lace, yeah, the lace was cut. Now the lace is really good because it's already plucked, which is a good thing. As you can see, it's already pre-plucked. I can part the wig. Let's see, I can part the wig in this perimeter right here. I'm just gonna use my big giant clips I got from Fashion Nova to kind of just hold the wig down, so I can make some baby hairs, because I'm gonna actually lay down this wig first and then create some baby hairs so it's like really pretty baby hairs throughout the hairline. Use my Bold Hold Lace Cream as I always use to hold this down because I do want this to be a look. Just applying it a really thin layer down my forehead where I'm going to apply the wig. And you know when it's dry when it's clear. You don't have to blow dry it, you just know when it's dry when it's clear. Okay guys, so I already glued this side of the wig. Now I'm going to cut down some baby hairs and style it. So I'm just going to take a piece of hair like that and just go down with my scissors. And I'm going to use I'm using the Gorilla Snot Gel to finish up my baby hairs because I kind of ran out of the Got To Be. So I'm going to use the Gorilla Snot Gel to lay down my baby hairs. And I like to do it like this because it's really, I don't know, it's really soothing. I like to do it like this. I don't really like to do it all at once just because I like to take my time and be very neat with it. So I'm gonna wait for this to dry clear before I lay it down.
Because I miss you so much. I miss the way we touch, and I need to make it stop.
Frontal is laid and I look so cute. It was super easy to lay the frontal also, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna pluck the hair in the middle because it's not super like, you can't really see the parting that well, so I'm just gonna go ahead and just pluck the parting a little bit. After I finished pluck the frontal and do my baby hair. So as you can see, it's on the puffy side. I guess it's because I combed it out, but it is on like the puffy side. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna use my crimping iron to actually give it some crimps because it's really puffy and I don't like that. But first I'm gonna take my flat comb. I'm gonna take my hot comb and I'm just gonna hot comb it down so that it just stays down because it's really puffy on the top.
To make it stop.
Look how cute that looks.
There is no us no more. No, I'm grasping at straws, trying to save myself. Don't wanna be here alone. No, a place we used to go all the time. I need to.
So look at this side compared to this side. See, it looks nice in its natural state. It's not a bad wig in its natural state. But I think it just looks better when it's crimped because it just looks more bouncy and more wavy. So I like it when it's crimped than when it's not crimped. I don't know, let me know below right now in this video if you like it like crimped or if you like it like kind of like a messy wavy look. Let me know below. And voila, you guys, look how pretty this wig came out. Super pretty. I like it just like this. I love me like a good crimp. I love me a good crimp. The hairline, you guys. That's how it's looking. You can see the baby hairs came out pretty good. The lace, you can't even see the lace. The clips just add like a cute, fun look. The parting. And that right there, that's my wig cap. I gotta take my wig cap, I said wig cap. I gotta take my wig cap off when I install this wig because you can see the wig cap. But this is the parting, this is the baby hairs. Neat. But yeah, that is all for this video, you guys. This hair came out fabulous, as you can see. Super curly, super wavy, super pretty. Let me know below what you think. Did you like it before or after? If you are a messy hair kind of girl, or you're actually, I like to have my hair styled, baby hair style with a curling iron, flat iron. I'm that kind of girl, or you're that kind of girl where you just install it and leave it messy. It looks cute messy too, but I'm just more of a I like to style it type of girl. But I like how this wig came out. Thank you to NABEAUTY.com for sponsoring this video. Give this video a thumbs up. I love you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. But until then, keep slaying.
I have dreams about us. I just want it to stop, because I